Good morning, my dear student. Today we discuss day 8 part 2 and our chapter is polynomial. Clear? In our last class we discussed polynomial, which type of algebraic expression is the polynomial. Thereafter, type of polynomial according to degree and according to term. You know that term are signify only plus or minus sign. Clear? Then according to degree, constant polynomial means, then first of all we know the degree. Degree is the highest power of given variable. Highest power of given variable. Clear? And term, you know that term are signify only in between two sign. There is one term and sign must be plus or minus. Clear? It means in between two term, in between two sign there is one term and sign must be plus or minus. Then after degree. Clear? Highest power of given variable. Suppose if you have a polynomial px. Clear? And in this polynomial 3x square plus 5y to the power 3. Clear? Here the highest power, suppose you have a polynomial px, here 3x to the power 2 plus 1 upon 4 x to the power 3 minus 3.5 x to the power 4 plus under root 5 x to the power 6. Clear? And it is asked the question, what is the degree of the polynomial? Then first of all we check what is the variable of the polynomial. Here in this polynomial the variable is x. Then we can check the power of x. Here the power of x is 2, 3, 4 and 6. Then in these you see highest power is 6. That's why degree of this polynomial, degree of px is 6. Here, and behalf of this degree, if you have 6 degree polynomial, that means this polynomial degree of polynomial is equal to zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial means, you know that zero of a polynomial means a particular value on which the polynomial is 0. It means this polynomial have the 6th degree, then we have got 6 value of x on which this polynomial is 0. In the same we have 6 factor. Number of factor. Number of factor means this polynomial have 6 degree. Clear? That's why if you can factorize it, then you got 6 factor of the polynomial px. Clear? And if you can draw the graph of this polynomial, then if you can draw the graph of this polynomial, then this polynomial intersect x-axis at point 6.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this polynomial is intersect at x-axis 6 point. Clear? Then with the help of degree we can signify how much zero of the polynomial, how much factor of the polynomial, and how much value number of is equal to number of value, or you say root of given variable. Suppose this polynomial have degree 6, then it has 6 different value of x. Clear? Or 6 root of x. Clear? Then with the help of degree we show zeros of the polynomial. It means how many zero or how many value of x you can put this polynomial is 0. Then here degree is 6, that's why it is 6 0. Number of factor, here degree is 6, then this polynomial have 6 factor. Number of root, you got 6 root of x in this polynomial. Clear? Then after, according to degree, we classify the polynomial. First, constant polynomial. In the constant polynomial, you know that here px denoted a polynomial is equal to a. Clear? Here x is not seen. You know that if any number which power is 0 is value 1. Clear? Suppose in the first chapter you know that a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Clear? In the same x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Then it will be written a into 1. And here on the place of 1 we can write a x to the power 0. Then if you have the constant polynomial, then their degree is 0. It means in the if you define the constant polynomial, then you say if degree of polynomial be 0. If degree of the polynomial be 0, then it is the constant polynomial. In the same way, suppose in the first exercise you have this type of question. Here px is equal to 135. What is the degree of the polynomial? Then you say the degree of the polynomial is degree of polynomial is 0 because it is written 135 x to the power 0. Here you know that x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Clear? Then it is called the constant polynomial. Clear? Then after linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. If degree is 1, that is linear polynomial. Like px is equal to ax plus b. Here in this polynomial you see the variable is x and their power is 1. Clear? Then it is linear polynomial. In the same way, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. If degree of polynomial is 2, it is called a quadratic polynomial or second degree polynomial. And standard form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square bx plus c. Here power of x, highest power of x is 2. Ax square bx plus c. It means if you can find the root, then you have two roots, two zeros and two factor of the polynomial. In the same way, cubic polynomial, if degree of polynomial is 3, it is called the cubic polynomial or polynomial of degree 3. Here px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is the cubic polynomial. Then after, it means if you can factorize it, then you got 3 factor, 3 zeros, 3 different value of x. In the same way, biquadratic polynomial, here degree of polynomial is 4. The standard form of the biquadratic polynomial is ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Here the highest power of x is 2, that's why it is called the biquadratic polynomial. And if you can factorize it, then you got 4 factors of this polynomial, 4 different root of x, 4 zeros. Clear? By this way we can classify this type of this polynomial is which type of polynomial, because in the exercise 2.1 you got this type of question. It is given which one is the linear polynomial, which one is the constant polynomial. Then according to degree you can show which type of the polynomial. Suppose if a polynomial is written px is equal to 3x square plus 6x cube plus 4y to the power 9. Clear? And it is asked in the question, what is the degree of the polynomial? Clear? In this polynomial, px is equal to 3x square plus 6x cube plus 4y to the power 9. And in the question, what is the degree of the polynomial? Then first of all, in any question, we discuss what is the variable of the polynomial. Clear? Then in this polynomial you see the variable is x. Then we check highest power of x only. Then highest power of x is 3. That's why this polynomial is the degree 3. Here you see highest power is 9, but it is power of y. And in the polynomial px, y are not given. That's why this term is behave like a constant. Clear? Then you see carefully this type of question asked. Clear? Then after, I think everyone aware. Then after, according to term. According to term. According to term, type of polynomial. Term, type of polynomial. Then see first monomial. Monomial means a polynomial having one term. A polynomial having one. A polynomial having one term, like px is equal to a. It is the monomial. Or px is equal to 3 by 5 x cube y square. Pxy is equal to 3 upon 5 x cube y square is a monomial because it has only one term. Clear? Because you see each and every, it is the constant and each and every variable and constant only multiplication sign, and multiplication sign can't participate or signify the term. Clear? That's why it is monomial. See in your book there is a question, write a monomial of degree 35. Clear? Write a monomial of degree 35. Then here px is equal to ax to the power 35. It is a monomial of degree 35 because it has only one term and its degree is 35. Clear? In the same way in your book different type of question. Then after binomial. Clear? Binomial means two term like px is equal to ax plus b. Here there is two term. Clear? Then it is binomial. Clear? Then in the same, if you want to write a polynomial of a binomial of degree 125. A binomial of degree 125. Then here you can write 135 x to the power 125 plus 125. You can free to write any number. Clear? But what is important? The degree are important. Clear? In the question it is asked degree of the binomial is 1. Then it is important in this polynomial we can write two term and their degree is 125. Clear? Then after trinomial. Trinomial means it has three term. If any polynomial having three term is called the trinomial, and the standard form of the trinomial is ax square bx plus c. You see in the standard form of any polynomial only plus sign are used. Clear? And here it is one term, two term and three term. In this polynomial you see there are three terms. In the same way quadrinomial. Quadrinomial means the polynomial having degree term 4 term like 3x square plus 5x plus 6y minus 7. Clear? It is the quadrinomial. Clear? Then after you can able to find which type of the polynomial, how much degree of the polynomial, how we can make. If the degree and term are given, then you are free to construct a polynomial of particular degree and term, and then after the term. Then after we discuss coefficient. Coefficient is also important topic because in this 2.1 it is asked some question, it is asked the coefficient. Coefficient is a numeric value which multiply with the variable. Coefficient is a numeric value, or you say it is the real number. Clear? A numeric value which multiply with variable. Suppose in the question it is asked what is the possible sign of the coefficient? Then coefficient either plus sign or minus sign. Coefficient either plus sign or minus sign. It means coefficient of any variable either plus or minus. Suppose if here px is a polynomial 2x square minus 3x to the power 3 minus 4x to the power 5. Clear? And it is asked what is the coefficient of highest power of given variable. Then first of all you can write this polynomial, it is in standard form. Then in the standard form you know that only plus sign are used. Then it is plus minus 3x to the power 3 plus minus 4x to the power 5. And then after you see highest power is 5. Clear? Then the coefficient numeric value which multiply with the highest power, then it is minus 4. Then coefficient of this highest power is minus 4. Clear? Then after zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means here px is equal to 0. It's called the zero polynomial. Clear? It means there is only no real number other than 0. Here 0 is the real number, like here px is equal to 0x to the power 5. You know that if 0 multiply with this, then we have 0. Then if in any polynomial their value is 0, is called a zero polynomial. Then after 0 of the polynomial, in exercise 2.2 we find 0 of the polynomial. Means we can find 0 of the polynomial, it is a particular value. Clear? It is a particular value on which polynomial be 0. Clear?